day 2 coming to an end. Lots of challenges. First, don't open a bottle of dark cherry Mio in your tent. It looks like a crime scene. It's like blood red, splattered everywhere. Lots of snow again. I wouldn't be able to make it as far as I have without snowshoes. And then 2 river crossings that definitely put me out of my comfort zone and were dangerous. Looks like there's more coming up, so I'm considering bailing out. I can hike to Fire Road 3 and then potentially get picked up there, otherwise hike down to Idlewood and then do the second half in the summer starting from 80 and hiking to Fire Road 3. Yeah, that's kind of where things are at right now. Makes me a little sad, but it also made me sad when you're scared doing the river crossings. So better safe than sorry. And as soon as I get cell signal, I'll see if I can make something happen in the morning. All right, here's to getting some sleep and hopefully no animals wake me up.